Here is my success criteria and when it happens in the video.
Hello, and welcome to this short demonstration of my computer science project, SheetSync. The first thing you can see at the top is the source type selection. These two radio buttons decide on how the program is going to be used. You can either use a YouTube link or a local MP4 file path. This completes success criteria number 3. The next thing you can see is the YouTube link or MP4 file path. This text box works for both depending on the radio button. This completes success criteria number 1. Now I'm going to move on. This is my video of choice for this demonstration. I'm going to click Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Here, the text box has gone green. This completes success criteria number 2. It has gone green because the link is valid. To show that it goes red when links are invalid, I'm just going to delete the last character. Here you can see it's gone red because the link is invalid. Moving on, number of images per page. From the look of this video, I'm going to say that it's 2, although this can be adjusted. This completes success criteria number 5. Moving on, we're going to click Download. I'm going to store this in my downloads. I'm going to now create a new folder, and I'm just going to call this Test. This completes success criteria number 6. The program is now downloading the YouTube video and scanning the description for an already available PDF. This completes success criteria number 9. Here you can see the computer's correctly identified that there is a potential sheet music link found. I'm now going to click OK, and the computer will continue with scrolling through the video and deleting the identical frames. This completes success criteria number 11 and 12. I will now show you that this is working. Going to Downloads and going to our folder Test. Go to Frames. You can see the frames that are being extracted. You can also see the video.mp4 file. This completes success criteria number 10. Download the video into an MP4 and label the file video.mp4. Also on the main menu you can see an AI upscaler. This completes success criteria number 14. You can also see a title page, which I will include for this video, despite the video already having a title page. This completes success criteria number 16. Going back to success criteria number 12, I will now demonstrate that it has cropped the frames by selecting the first one here as a demonstration. Here you can see there is no black border because the image has been cropped. Going back, the computer is almost finished extracting the frames. Here, we can now select the images. To speed things up, I'm going to press Ctrl A. This has now selected all of the images. If you are unsure if you want to select the image and you need to see in more detail, right-clicking the image enlarges it. Clicking Create PDF completes success criteria number 13. The program now says PDF created successfully. We can now go and see this by going to the File Explorer. There will be a new folder created called PDF. We can now click on it and your default PDF viewer will now open. Here you can see the title page, and down below is the PDF. Moving on, we will now use the same downloaded file as the local MP4 file for our next test. Here we are now, selecting the local MP4 file path. I'm going to use the last MP4 that was downloaded for the YouTube test as our local MP4 file path. Right-clicking, we can see the copy as path. This program strips the
This complete
local
success
path
criteria
of
number
any
4,
quotation
taking a
marks
local MP4
to avoid
file from
any
the user's
errors.
computer.
I'm going to use the same parameter 2. I'm going to click download, and for this one I will include AI upscaling. Here we can see a warning the user of how resource intensive this can be. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to choose a different file location. I'll put it here. Here you can also see the frame deletion sensitivity slider. This completes success criteria number 8. You can see that the title page tick box has disappeared. This is because the title page logic gets the title from the YouTube video. Pressing Ctrl A produces the same effect, and clicking Create PDF. The computer now upscales the images, which is very resource intensive. This will take a while. The PDF has now been created successfully. We can now go and check for the output. This completes my demonstration for my computer science program.